Hello Blackhawk Cougars, Mrs. Sutliff here. Today I want to teach you all about search engines. I'm on Kickstand right now. Did you know Kickstand is just one of billions of websites on the internet? Today's lesson is all about where else you can go on the internet and how you can navigate in a way that you stay safe. A search engine is a website that helps you search the internet for anything you might be looking for. Maybe you want to find a book to listen to, or maybe you want to find a game to play. A search engine can help you find it. There are many search engines. You might know about Google. Bing is another search engine. Today I'm going to go over some different websites that have search engines inside them that you can use to help you find what you are looking for. The first search engine is inside Tumblebooks. This is a great website for you, but did you know that you can search on Tumblebooks? Let me show you how it works. First, open a new tab by clicking on your little clever C in the corner. I'm already logged in. Log in with your username and password or your badge. Then scroll down and click right here on Tumblebooks. When you get to Tumblebooks, you will have to sign in. Your username and password might be saved. If it's not, the username is Rapid Area and the password is Reads, R-E-A-D-S. Click the sign in button. After you log in, up here in the corner is the Tumble search button. Click on it to do a search. You'll have to scroll down. Each of these is a search box. If you know of a title of the book you're looking for, you can use this blue box. If you know the author's name, you can use this purple box. The green box down here is really helpful. You can search by subject with this box. I'm going to search by subject. Type in your search keyword, such as frogs. Oops. And then click the blue Go button. Scroll down to see your results. Tumblebooks has 3 books with frogs in them. Do Frogs Drink Hot Chocolate? Trials of a Tadpole? And Where is Croaky? Sometimes your keywords won't have any books. This is what it looks like when there's no results. Just try again with the new keyword. Click right here to try again. Tumblebooks is a good website for practicing using a search engine, and then you can listen to some great books. My favorite digital library is Epic Books. To get there, you'll click up here on this plus button to open a new tab. Then up here in the address bar, you will type getepic.com. You might need a parent to help you the first time. You can use this star over here to save this page to get back to it easily. When you get there, click up here where it says class code. And then right here in this box, you can type the class code. My class code is ZBS7347. Type it right here. And then click the Go button. Choose your grade. I'm going to go in as a 2nd grader. Then up here at the top is your search bar. The fun thing about Epic is that you can search under topics and all of these visual searches come up. You just click on the picture to bring up all of the book choices. Click on the X right here to start over. You can also type a keyword into the search bar. When you start typing, keywords will start to appear. So even if you're having trouble with your spelling, you should be able to find a book. So I just clicked right there, and the book is coming up, but also down here are other books that are related. So you can just scroll down and choose a book to get started. A search engine is a tool to help you find what you're looking for on the internet. Tumblebooks and Epic Books are two websites where you can practice searching. If you would like to give it a try today, you can watch this video again while you follow the steps to get to Tumblebooks and Epic Books and enjoy some books today.